Hey everybody! Oh my gosh, I miss you guys so much. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to go through a lesson for literacy. So our essential question this week is, how can we classify and categorize things? Our vocabulary words are distinguish, understand the difference between two or more people, animals, and things. I can distinguish between Mindy and her sister Patty. Classify, to sort or decide what group something belongs in. I can classify run, I'm kind of in the way there, run, jump, and swim as action words. Entire, whole, or complete. Kip was so hungry that he ate the entire sandwich, the whole thing. Organize. You arrange things in a certain way. Sal tried to organize the dolls by lining them up from smallest to largest. Startled, when something suddenly surprises you. Pam was startled when the door slammed. I'm always startled when I see a spider. Soothes. Makes you feel better when you are upset or hurt. An ice pack will soothe your sore knee. And advice. What you want to know. You want to know his or her opinion about what should be done. The coach gave Sam advice on how to be a better soccer player. Remarkable. He or she is unusual and special in some way. Pete is remarkable because he can walk on his hands. That would be remarkable. Trust. You believe that the person will do the right thing. Nola trusts her friend will tell the truth. Career. The kind of work or job a person does. Eric thinks teaching is an interesting career. Phonemic awareness. Build the words. T-ar, tar. Change t to f-ar. Change, add the letter ar, Change f to ch, ch-ar, Change to t, ch-ar-t. Sorry. Change ch to k, k-art. Now take away the T. K-ar, car. Now change the k to b, b-ar. Add the letter k, b-ar-k. Change the k to b-ar. Hard to do that. And tap my mouth. Change the b to y-ar. Now change to d, y-ar-d. Now change change y to h-ar-d. Now change d to p-ar-p. Now change h to sh-ar-p. Now change p to k-sh-ar-k. One of my students, oh gosh, I hope you could see all those. My face was in the way. We're going on to structural analysis. Irregular plurals. We add s or es to many words to make them mean more than one. Some words change in other ways to make them mean more than one. Men means more than man. It says work in pairs and to use the singular and plural, but we'll just go through this quickly together. Man, men. Child goes to children. Sheep stays the same, sheep. Woman changes to women, and foot changes to feet. Let's go through our spelling words. Mom will put the food in the shopping cart. Cart. The kids were playing inside the barn. Barn. The man's arm had big muscles. Gail painted some beautiful art. Art. Grandma will make a sweater from the yarn. Yarn. The snake can harm you. Harm. The boy was happy. There's our crazy Y. Happy. Here is a review word. I will use the key to unlock my door. Key. Here are our high frequency words. I saw 4 birds flying in the sky. 4. None of the children could ride the bike. None. Here's our spelling word sort. Let's see if it'll work for me. Art. A-R-T. Arn. A-R-N. Arm. A-R-M. Or no A-R pattern. My face is right in the way. So we have none. Oh, this isn't going to work for me. Let me try again. Nope, it's not going to work. So none would go in the no AR pattern. Harm, arm, ARM, art, ART. It says the same exact way they bought at the end. Arm, again, ARM. Key, that doesn't have an AR pattern. R, no. Cart, art, ART. Happy, does that have an AR pattern? No, no bossy R. No. Barn, can you see that? Barn. Barn, ARN. 4. No AR pattern. And then finally, yarn, ARN. Good job. Here's our high frequency words. Let's look at the words carefully as it flashes on the screen. Oh, it's not going to flash for us. 4. Large. None. Only. Put. Round. Here's our last week's words. Found. Hard. Near. Woman. Wood. Right. Vocabulary words. Trouble. Doing something you have problems doing. Could mean a few different things, couldn't it? I had trouble learning to ride my bike. Or you could be in trouble. Whole. Complete. None of it is missing. I ate the whole sandwich. Nothing was left. So grammar joins sentences with so and because. What is the joining word in each sentence? We were late for the bus, so we had to run. So is the joining sentence, the joining part of the sentence. Carl gave back the jar of jam because it was too tart, which means kind of sour. Because. I can't come over and play because I have to help my dad. Oh, here we're completing the sentence. The joke was funny, so I laughed. And the answers are already in there because I'm not working on the board, so I'm so sorry. My dog got very muddy, so I had to wash her. Whisper, read, then do the action. Did you do it? This one is silly. Bark. Bark like a dog. Play a harp. Act like you're startled. Scared, right? Okay, guys, I sure miss you. I hope you're reading. Don't forget you only have to read on the days you eat. So keep reading. You're all such amazing students. I want you to keep reading and growing and learning. I miss you guys. Stay healthy. Wash your hands. Bye. Hope to see you soon.